not hearsay, not the
If I-
statement. Sorry, Attorney Jokno, you are not yet recognized. Please allow me to finish. No, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po ang
Mr. Chair,
opinion ko.
I'll
Sandali,
be
hindi pa ako tapos.
answering the
Hindi pa ako tapos, Mr. Chairman. I will not yield
Oh.
my time to Chairman Dan Fernandez.
Mr.
Let
Chair-
me finish first. Dandaan lang po, Governor.
I think I still have the floor, Mr. Chair. Unless you ask the permission of this representation. Okay.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, all those data being presented now, sabi nga ni Attorney, coming from PCO, how did you get that copy from PCO? Kasi dito, Mr. Chairman, ako kahit yung statement, a while ago, the text being was read by Attorney Jokno, until now that case was still in Supreme Court. And well, in fact, that is just part of these Supreme Court minutes. But until now, it's still in the Supreme Court. The Almora versus De La Rosa case. Now, Mr. Chairman, that is why that time, then PNP Chief De La Rosa is being represented by OSG, in which that is Attorney Calida now. And he's not present today. That's why, again, I'm reiterating that he should be present in the next hearing. Now, those documents, even the data read by the good chairman of public order and safety, is not an official data, because the only official data that should be given to us should come from the office itself. Well, in fact, if you remember, Mr. Chairman, and I think I have to check the COMSEC, during the first hearing, I asked the Honorable Committee to the Chair for us to request to the office of the ES now and to the office of the President the executive summary submitted by the then DOJ Secretary Guevara and now OSG, because that is an official document. And well, in fact, Mr. Chairman, on record, Almora versus De La Rosa, that was cited by Attorney Jokno, OSG never complied. Never complied to submit that document during the case deliberation. Di ba, Attorney? Yun yung actual?
Ang nangyari po ay there was a directive in this resolution to the Solicitor
But
General.
until now, they have not yet submitted.
Meron pong mga nasubmit ang Solgen sa Supreme Court. There were boxes.
No, Attorney, diretso. Yung 20,000 ba, it was submitted by Solgen? Not. Yung 20,000
The report itself, it was, I'm not sure if it was
Oh,
even
that's why,
directed
Mr.
by
Chairman,
the court.
again, sorry, Attorney Jokno. I do believe that there is an AGK. I do believe that there is a war on drugs. But in this committee, Mr. Chairman, with due respect to all the resource speakers, and of course to the members of this committee, we will only take into account all the documents, official documents, not hearsay, not the
If I-
statement. Sorry, Attorney Jokno, you are not yet recognized. Please allow me to finish. No, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po ang
Mr. Chair,
opinion ko.
I'll
Sandali,
be
hindi pa ako tapos.
answering the
Hindi pa ako tapos, Mr. Chairman. I will not yield
Oh.
my time to Chairman Dan Fernandez.
Mr.
Let
Chair-
me finish first.
Okay.
Dandaan lang po, Governor. And dahil sa akin, I am not biased against anybody else. No. Well, in fact, if the former Reyes can produce the document, then we request for it. But of course, the document now is nandun sa administration, new administration. That is why I asked this committee to write a letter to ES or to the Office of the President to request that document para official po. At tulad niya, PCOO. Do you have an authentic copy of that? Di ba? May kopya ba tayo na authentic coming from that office? Sa akin lang po, Mr. Chairman.
Well,
Mr. Chairman, again. Well, in fact, I have already read the case about Almora versus De La Rosa. Now, ako hanggang ngayon, hindi pa tapos yun. Ang sinasabi ko lang, Chairman, the same as sa statement coming from Chairman Dan Fernandez with regards to the opinion or the statement from Mr. Mugato. Hindi pwede hearsay dito, Mr. Chairman. But of
Okay.
course, I am not saying that he's not telling the truth. But of course, dapat hindi second person.
Mr. Chair.
Dapat, if ever the statement ni Mugato will only be, will be recognized, or not recognized, but rather, for me, personally, maniniwala po ako doon if mismo yung source. Hindi pwede po yung second person dito. Much more documents being requested and submitted to this committee should be official, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Okay,
Mr. Chair,
okay,
if I may,
okay, Congressman Fernandez.
if I may, no, let's clarify things, no. A while ago, Attorney Chel Jokno tell this committee that there was a 6,355 na tinatawag nating deaths on July 2016 up to November 2017. And these were all killed by riding in tandem. And kanina po tinitingnan ko po yung notes, hindi naman notes pero nanggaling po sa yung mga key accomplishment and the Duterte administration year-end report. So this is an official documents coming from the office of the president. Then I saw that 16,355 homicide cases under investigation from July 1, 2016 to September 30, 2017. Indeed, yung numbers that was mentioned by Attorney Jokne was correct. But wala yung riding in tandem. And that's the reason why I asked Attorney Jokno kung bakit riding in tandem ang sinasabi mo while nakalagay dito is homicide. And you explained that there was two category. Okay. And then I asked Attorney Meljadia kung ito pong report na to is with verified or can he attest to the authenticity of this year-end report that we see in the internet? Because we can somehow summarize that yung nakikita po natin sa internet with regards to this website that Franz Castro have seen, makikita po natin na sinasabi nila, tama, yung sinasabi niya 6,355. Ang hindi lamang po tama doon, yung may riding in tandem. So, most likely, the homicide that was included in the year-end report summarizes everything. No? Hindi siya riding in tandem lang per se. So, ang sinasabi ko dito, Congressman Chairman Caraps, no? Tinitingnan lang po natin that if ever that these documents pertaining to the accuracy of the numbers that was mentioned by Attorney Jokno, ang pinagtatalo lang na po natin doon, kung yung 16,355 are all victims of riding in tandem. Di ba? Kasi yun ang sinabi mo kanina 16,355 riding in tandem.
May I clarify, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
Ang sinabi ko po kanina ay yung 16,355 na kataong napatay ay kasama doon ang riding in tandem at yung mga ibang hindi kilalang killer na pumatay sa kanila. Kaya nga po sila ay homicide under investigation. Doon naman po sa punto
Okay,
ni...
so in other words, Mr. Ano ko lang, po tayo, no? Kasi there was a confusion Kahit ako, I was confused All the while, akala ko yung 20,000 na lahat na deaths is all about 16,000 na riding in tandem and the 3,900 are during police operation. Di ba? Yun ang maliwanag Kaya nag-come out kayo sa 20,000 Pero now, nababalansin natin that 16,355 were all homicide. In other words, hindi siya talaga lahat riding in tandem. Is that correct, Attorney?
Hindi po lahat. As
yeah.
I mentioned earlier, yung mga ibang bangkay na nakita sa kalsada na may mga karatula na adik ako, hindi naman po riding in tandem yon. Basta nakita na lang yun na patay na.
So
But
in
they
other
are
words, kung
related-
sinasabi niyo pong 16,355, it's either riding in tandem o kaya nakita na patay, may nakasulat na adik ako.
or others who were killed in relation to the war on drugs na hindi po kilala kung sino ang pumatay.
Can you verify this, Attorney Meljaldia? Since meron po sila sinasabi na gano'n that it was categorized into two.
We cannot answer that here, Mr. Chairman. But
Why?
I do not know anything about those things. So kung ano ang mga verification, that's not part of my territory during my time as Executive Secretary. I only base it on what are given to me. On the basis of
But
the
will you
reports
confirm,
being-
Attorney Meljaldia, that there was indeed 16,355 that was what was written on the year-end report?
That was given by the PDEA, NBI, Philippine National Police, and Bureau of Customs, Your Honor.
So in other
So
words, talagang...
they're in the best position to testify on that.
and the former PIDEA during that time was Wilkins.
One of them. If I,
And the
if I
NBI
may-
director during that time was...
cannot-
Garland?
Director Garin, I think.
Garin.
Geran,
Mr. Chair-
Geran.
Mr. Chair, may we invite the former NBI director during that time that these 16,355 homicide deaths were recorded by the former president, no? And for us to shed light kung ano yung mga category ng 16,355. Kasi magulo na eh. Gumugulo na eh. Dati 6,000 lang. Yung, di ba? Tapos naging 11,000, naging 9,000. Ngayon, meron ng 20,000. Di ba? May 16,355 na homicide, riding in tandem, saka may mga ganon. Tapos 3,009. Pero ang pinakaklaro is 3,967 Filipinos killed during police operation.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is klaro kasi nakalagay din dito sa report ng year-end report na nagtatama sa sinasabi mo, Attorney Jokno, 3,967 drug personalities who died in anti-drug operation from July 1, 2016 to November 27, 2017. This, Attorney Meljaldia, you have to confirm kasi nakalagay dito sa year-end report, kung mabe-verify niyo po nito, mape-verify po ninyo, sakto din sa sinabi nila na 3,967 drug personalities who died in anti-illegal drug operations.
Anyway,
Maybe Attorney Medialtia,
anyway, Congressman,
submitted din po sa inyo ng, I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman.
bago yun, Congressman Fernandez.
Same
sandali
source,
lang.
same source. Doon din sa kanila. So, Mr.
Yes,
Chair,
sandali lang. Rewrote the current ES, Lucas Persamin, on this. At least to submit to us a copy of the 2020 and 2021 interagency review panel reports on the campaign against illegal drugs. And I think that during that time, you were the ES, di ba? Pero the thing is, ES Lucas Persamin has not given us any answer to this.
Ganun, that I cannot answer. Alam mo kasi, ano po yan part of the executive privilege na yan eh. Diba?
Yeah, Chairman?
Mr. Chair.
Yeah, Chairman.
Mr.
Yeah,
Chair.
Mr.
ako na-
Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Yeah, sorry. And then we just... No,
Mr. Chair.
Oh, okay. I am the chairman here, not the referee.
I think I still have the floor, Mr. Chair. Unless you ask the permission of this representation,
wait.
I will not
Before-
yield my time,
Before,
Mr. Chairman.
before
Si-
Congressman
Mr.
Fernandez,
Chair, ako na lang.
continue his
Versus dalawang
swearing.
lalaki.
Pagbigyan natin yung babae muna, si
Yes,
Congresswoman
okay.
Castro.
Then I will
Then,
yield.
then,
Okay.